Xiaomi phones with stock Android are a rare breed. I hope most of you know about the Xiaomi's A series of phones. It all started in 2017 when we got the Mi A1, which was the company's first phone to not have MIUI. Instead, the phone came under the Android One program, which means it had clean stock Android. Then in 2018, we got two phones under this series, the Mi A2 and the Mi A2 Lite. And finally in 2019, we got the Xiaomi A3. And that was the last phone from the company with stock Android. I think the reason why we did not get more phones under this series was because Xiaomi really messed up the updates on these devices. Either the updates were very late or they were full of bugs. Anyways, we did get one more phone without MIUI in 2019 and it was the Redmi Go. It was an entry-level phone with the Android Go edition, and on the 6th of September, Redmi is going to launch a similar phone that is named the Redmi A1. The Redmi A1 starts a new series of phones from Redmi that will offer clean stock Android experience, and before you get your hopes up, the Redmi A1 is an entry-level phone. This means it will be priced under 10,000 rupees in India. Design-wise, it does look quite nice thanks to that leather texture on the back and flat sides. There is a water drop notch on the front and the phone does not have a fingerprint scanner. We also know some specifications of Redmi A1, so there is a 6.5-inch 720p TFT IPS LCD. The SoC is MediaTek Helio A22, and this is surprising because the Helio A22 is more than 4-year-old SoC. The phone has 2GB of RAM and 32GB of storage. The dual cameras on the back include an 8-megapixel primary camera and a 2-megapixel secondary camera. For selfies, the phone has a 5-megapixel camera. And finally, the battery size is 5000 mAh and there is 10-watt charging. If you are wondering about which Android version this phone is coming with, then it is Android 12 Go Edition. If you do not know, then Go Edition refers to the lightweight version of Android, which is for entry-level phones with less RAM. Well, right now we do not know the price of Redmi A1, but looking at these specifications, its price should be between 6,000 to 7,000 rupees, which means well under $100. So what do you think of the Redmi A1? Do let me know in the comment section below, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one.